Hi, this is Sierra from Flow, and this video is going to be on filters. So right now we just have a typical swarm that we use for training, tutorials, and demos. It's our life expectancy flow from the global life expectancy dataset that's in our library. So right now we kind of have a lot of things going on here, and I thought maybe this would be a good time to apply a filter. So underneath the colors menu, there's going to be a filters menu. So let's go ahead and just create a new filter, and let's show row when column year is greater than, let's say, 1950. So you can see it cuts off there at 1950 and gets rid of all of the things that happened before that. So that's kind of interesting. That narrows it down a little bit in scope. But let's add another filter. And let's change this. Instead of this, right now it's a numerical field. These greater thans all the way from between to equal to, these are all numerical columns. So they're only going to show numerical columns in this drop down. If you change them to categorical, the columns then open to the categorical columns in your data set. So let's filter on region, and then it allows you to type in which rows you'd like to show. So let's do Africa. And so right now you can see it's showing all of Africa, right? The whole entire length of time, and then just from 1950 onward for all the other countries. So that is a significance of this logic up here at the top, this setting. So right now we're on or. Watch what happens when I change it to and. Okay, so now it's saying the year is greater than 1950, that has to be a filter, and then on top of that, and the region has to be Africa. So it only shows the regions of Africa after 1950. But then if you do or, you can apply multiple filters to kind of create a more, show Africa over time, but then just show the world over the past 50 years. So yeah, there's use cases for both or and. Something else that's interesting, let me go ahead and switch this back to and. This collapse axes when filtered, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then it expands out whatever data you have filtered, so that way you can really zoom in on it and get a clear view of each of those individual pieces. So that's kind of what most of the settings in the filters menu do. Hope that this was helpful. Thanks.